In standard form, the basic thing is we write the first digit and it has to be a non-zero digit. And we put a decimal and then we adjust the zeros with power of 10. For example, I see the first number as 4000. To convert it into standard form, I have to write it in first digit, then a decimal. So if I just see that was 4000 and this decimal made it 4. So I'll adjust it with the power 10 raised to the power 3. Second is 500. So if I write it 5.0, first digit, non-zero digit, and then a decimal. So I've reduced it by 100. So I'll multiply it with 100 to make it equal. Same way, if we look at some numbers which are decimal numbers, such as in 13, that is 0.0035. I have to write the first non-zero digit, which is 3.5, and then the remaining digits. So if I see I've already increased it 1, 2, 3, I've increased it 1,000 times. So I've increased it 1,000 times already. So that is the adjustment, and we take the power -3.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. As we are doing standard form, and the basic concept is we write the numbers
Yes,
first non-zero digit and then adjust the powers in 10 raised to the power. So basically, when I'm moving decimal to left, we write a positive power. When we are moving decimal to right, we write negative powers.
yes, sir. No.
Let's try a few more numbers. Question number 9 is 900,000. So if we change it into standard,
9.10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
that's 5.
5 my 10 power 5. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
And number 15.
15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mm,
First non-zero digit,
yes. 5,
5.5,
5 multiplied by 10 power minus 5.
10 power -5. Very good. So this was moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So -5. And if I have a number which is like this one, 23.456. So how do we write this?
We'll write like 1.23. 123. 1.23. Multiply 10 power 4.
10 power 2.
Oh, okay.
This was moved 2 places to left.
Yes.
So we take a positive power and increase it by 2. So what if we have a number already which is in powers but is not in standard form? For example, 13.7 into 10 raised to the power 9. So in order to make it standard form, I have to write the first digit and then decimal. So 10 power.
10 power 10.
Ali, say that again.
10 power 8.
This is 10 power 10, not 8.
Yes.
You see, we always have to balance it. If I'm reducing it on left hand side, I have to increase it on right hand side. So if the number is 0.00034 into 10 raised to power -7, and we have to write 3.4 into 10 raised to power, now what will be the new power? You see on this side, I've actually increased the number by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So if I'm increasing on this side, I have to decrease on the other side. So that's -11. And in the other way, when we move the decimal to right, we subtract the power. So we moved it 4 places. So -7 minus 4 is -11. Let's attempt some more questions. Number 19 says the population of China is estimated at this much number. Write this in standard form. So we count the zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then one more. So this is 1.1 into 10 raised to the power. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've moved 9 places to left. So I will increase the power by 9. Number 20. The mass of hydrogen atom is this much grams, right in standard form. Is it readable? Can you count that? 1.67 into 10 raised to
Yes, yes. 36666 It's nothing. So 23, 4, 24.
24, yes. So it is 24, and when we are moving towards the right hand side, the power is negative.
Yes.
So negative 24. 21 says the area of the surface of Earth is about this much kilometers. Express this in standard form. So basically, these aren't different. These are statements, and we are just converting them. So 5.1, and then again we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I'm moving towards the left hand side, I need to increase the power. So into 10 is per 8. 22. 2.5 into 10 is per what?
Uh, 2.5 10 is power minus 10.
Very good, minus 10. Let's try this. The number of cells in a human body is estimated at 3.71 into 10 is per 13. Write this number out in full. Oh, I think,
Yes,
okay, just
this is it.
know how
Yes,
many
will do.
zeros after 371.
Yes, and 13. I mean,
After
after
371.
10.
11.
Oh, 11, sorry. 11.
See, we moved this decimal 2 places. So 13 minus 2 is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 11. 24. The speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. Express the speed in centimeters per second and in standard form. So second is as second. So I have to change kilometer into centimeter first and then
Yes.
standard.
Kilometer to centimeter.
Do you know the conversion?
Yes, sir. It will be, I think so, kilometer into centimeter. Let me check. I mean, I will calculate it, not allowed.
1 kilometer is equals to how?
100,000 meters. Yes.
And then 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters?
100.
100 centimeters. So basically, kilometer to centimeter are 5 zeros. So this is 100,000. So 3.0 into 10 raised to power. Now all we do is count these zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 centimeters per second. Okay, now this is the part which we need to understand. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in standard form. And we've already done indices. They will be used. For example, I'm going for multiplication and division first. That is the easy part. So if I have a number 2 into 10 raised to power 8, this is the first number multiplied with 3 into 10 raised to power 5. So what happens? 2 3 times is 6, and basis same powers add. So 10 plus 5 is 13. This is multiplication. Another example, when we do not get the answer in single digit, for example, 7 into 10 raised to power 8, and this number is being multiplied with 3 into 10 raised to power 5. Now we know basis same powers add, that would be 10 raised to power 13. And on this side, 7 3 times is 21. This is correct, but not standard form. So 2.1 into 10 raised to power 14. Clear with the multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now division also goes in same way, same manner. We just subtract the powers in case of division. For example, 8 into 10 raised to power 14 divided by 2 into 10 raised to the power 6. So when we do so, 2 1 times, 2 4 times, this is 4, and 14 minus 6 is 8. So 10 raised to the power 8. This was multiplication and division. Now we are going to talk about addition and subtraction. Starting with simple examples. For example, 2 into 10 raised to the power 3. First number plus 3 into 10 raised to the power 3. So this will be 2 plus 3 is 5. Basically, I'm taking out 10 raised to the power 3 as common. So this is 5 into 10 raised to the power 3. Whenever we do so, either we take out common or we should see that these two powers are same. We cannot add them directly if the powers are not same. For example, 2 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power 4. Now, in this case, powers are different. Either I write it as 2 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 30 into 10 raised to the power 3. You see now the powers are same, 10 raised to the power 3, which could be taken out as common. So 2 plus 30 into 10 raised to the power 3 is 32 into 10 raised to the power 3. And finally 3.2 into 10 raised to the power 4. One thing, second way, 2 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power 4. Same question. But this time I'm going to adjust the left hand side. So if I make it 0.2 into 10 raised to the power 4, and on the other side, no change. But now what do I have? I have same powers, 10 raised to the power 4 and 10 raised to the power 4. So which could be taken out as common. So 0.2 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power 4. So that is 3.2 into 10 raised to the power 4. So no matter how we solve it, we end up with the same answers. Another way, everything is allowed, whatever makes you comfortable. 2 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power 4. Now if I just take out maximum power as common, which is 10 raised to the power 3, so may I write it like this? Sorry, that was a positive sign. Any issue if I write it like this? I took out 10 raised to the power 3 from both of these. Now inside the bracket, I'm left with 2 plus 30. So that's 10 raised to the power 3 into 32, which would be 3.2 into 10 raised to the power 4. So this was addition, and in the same way, subtraction.
We'll do subtraction also. Yes.
3 into 10 raised to the power 4 minus 2 into 10 raised to the power 3. I cannot subtract 3 and 2 directly because there are different powers. So this has to be 30 into 10 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 10 raised to the power 3. Now I can subtract them directly because powers are same. So 30 minus 2 is 28 into 10 raised to the power 3. This is correct, but not standard form. So 2.8 into 10 raised to the power 4. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's have a look at this worked example. We know multiplying these two would just add the powers. 3 plus 6 is 9, whereas 1.5 into 8 is 12. Now this is correct, but not standard form. So we make the adjustment, adjust the decimal place. When we are moving to left, we increase the power. So 1.2 into 10 raised to the power 10. Practice questions. For question 1 to 15, give the answer in standard form. So this is basically addition. It's very easy with the calculator. Can you just quickly do it without calculator?
Okay, so 10, 8 twos are 16. I mean, like, oh, my bad. 8 multiplied 10 power 4. 80, 80 power 4, maybe. 80 plus 80 plus 2.
As if I write 8 into 10 raised by 4 and change
Yes,
the
sir.
other part.
It will be 100 power 6, 7.
Nope.
No.
8 into 10 raised
Right.
by 4, and the second part is 0.2 into 10 raised by 4. Now
Yes,
the
sir.
powers are same. We can directly add these two numbers. So 8.2 into 10
Point
raised
two
by
ten is
4.
to power.
No,
Yes,
it
sir.
will be 8200.
Yes, 8200.
8200. Okay.
That would be 82,000 if you just simplify it, but we have to keep it in standard form. Look at question number 3. So again, I'm going to make this 12. The first section is 6 into 10 raised by 12 minus. In order to make that 12, if I'm increasing that power, I have to decrease this number. So this is 0.14 into 10 raised to the power 12. Now powers are same. I'm directly subtracting 6 minus 0.14, which is giving me 5.86. So 5.86 into 10 raised to the power 12, and that's your answer in standard form. And we'll solve all these questions in the same way. Try question number 2 and 4 and share your answers. Do try them without calculator for better understanding. Done question 2.
One second.
Yes, sir.
And what are you getting, Haris?
Sir, I am getting like just wait, I still left. I honestly uh, sir 1000 no, no. Sir 120 maybe 120.
Sir, for
120
two.
is correct, but what in standard form?
Sir,
Oh, in standard form, my bad.
5 times 10 is power 2.
No, not 100, 120.6 it is.
Ali, we are having different answers. Let me write.
So for
into
question number
10
two,
raised to power 2. Yeah, about question 2. This is, I'm getting 1.206 into 10 raised to the power 2. This is the question, right? So I have to make the power same. If we convert all the powers equal to the one with larger value, we don't have to convert it again at the end. You see these two examples?
yeah,
These two. I converted it into 3. That was smaller power, so I had to change at the end. But when we converted it into 4, no change at the end. So that's easy. So I'm changing it to higher power. Now I have two options. One is 2, the other is -1. So this is 1.2 into 10 raised to power 2. No change. In order to
Yeah.
make this -1 to 2, I'm increasing it 3 times. Do you agree? Into 10 raised by 2. If I write this, that is increased by 3 times. So this 6 has to be decreased by 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That is making it 0.006. This is the decimal. These are those zeros. Now powers are same. I can directly add them. So if I add 1.2 here, I'm getting 1.206. So this is 1.206 into 10 raised to the power 2. That's your answer.
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Try number 4.
For,
4. Okay.
uh, yes, sir. No. No. 5.18 times 10 to the power minus 2.
5.2 multiply 10 power minus 2. Oh, it's the same, maybe. Maybe.
5.18 times 10 to the power minus
So I think it's.
I leave 5.18.
2.
Oh,
Yes,
Are
sir.
you rounding it off?
No, sir. Yeah. Wait,
5.18 into 10 raised to the power.
1 second.
um, so it's. मेरे तो गलत हो रहा है. It's 5 not even
अरे
2.
साहब चेंज किसको कर रहे हैं, लेफ्ट साइड या राइट साइड?
सर मैंने गलत कर दी है 2 मिनट.
Which one is the bigger power, -2 or -4?
-4.
-2 is bigger.
2. Oh my bad. -2.
We will not change this -2. 5.2 into 10 is for -2. On the other side, if I change this one -2, कितने zeros बढ़ा दिए मैंने?
2.
2. तो बेटे दूसरी साइड को 2 times कम कर दें. 1 jump and second jump. Is it making it 0.02? ठीक है. Now the powers are same. 10 raised to power -2 and -2. I can directly subtract these two numbers. So 5.2 minus 0.02 is giving me 5.18.
Yes, sir.
5.18 into 10 is for -2.
It's 2.
Finished. Hmm. Multiplication. Question number 5. Multiplication is always easy.
Yes, sir.
6 into 10 raised to the power 4 multiply by 5 into 10 raised to the power 3. Remember this, your basic paper 1 is mostly 60% based on general mathematics. These short questions. Okay, so what do we get when we multiply these two? 6 into 5 is 30. And 10 raised to power 4
Yes.
into 10 raised to power 3 is
10 power 6, 7. 10 power 7.
7. Now this is correct digit, but not standard form. So converting it into standard form makes it 3.0 into 10 raised to the power. What is it?
10 raised to the power 6, 8.
8.
Oh, wait, please. Oh, okay.
इस बेटे ये ध्यान से देखना 30 है ना
यस, तो हम
30
समझ
मैंने 3 कर दिया क्या किया इसको मैंने छोटा किया बड़ा किया
छोटा।
जी
जब छोटा
अगर
करते
इसको
तो ऐड।
छोटा किया तो दूसरी साइड से बड़ा कर देते
ओके।
बैलेंस रहता ठीक है वो 30 के आगे 7 जीरोस थे 30 के आगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ये 3 के आगे 8 जीरोस हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 इक्वल हो गए number 6 so this is 0 point and there are 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 zeros and 7 and then 400 so what am I looking at is इधर मैं इसे ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई कर लूँ टू जीरोस कैंसिल कर लूँ या इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में पहले ही लिख लूँ so if I write this number 7.0 into 10 raised per now I'm counting that 1 jump 2 jump 3 4 5 jumps minus 5 क्यों माइनस 5 देखिए 0.0007 था मैंने उसको 7 लिख दिया बड़ा कर दिया ना तो पावर को छोटा कर दिया इनटू वो 400 है 4 लिख दिया छोटा कर दिया तो पावर को बड़ा कर दिया now you can see 7 4 times is 28 basis same powers add into 10 raised power minus 3 and the final adjustment to convert it into standard form 2.8 हारिस यहाँ से छोटा कर रहे हैं 28 को उधर से
यस,
पावर
तो
को
हम वहां यूज करेंगे। समझ आ गया।
ट्राई क्वेश्चन 7 अली बेटे आपको समझ आ रही है
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड 7th ट्राई कीजिए
Yes, sir. I got
जी व्हाट डिड यू गेट
so 7 times 10.
7 times 10 very good हारिस सेम आंसर
जी सर।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 8
8. Okay, 8 to 7. 8 is
8,000 divided by 0.004. I always write it like this. This is like I'm comfortable writing it this way.
yes, sir. I'm also. So it will be divided by 2. 4 to 0. 4.03. 4.0 2008 minus 20.
So this will be 2 times
Sir,
10 to the power 6.
Very
eight.
good.
Just wait, sir. I'm also doing
The result will be
it.
divided by
8.10 power 3. Sir, answer is called. सर जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो माइनस क्या करते हैं
देखें अरिस डिफरेंट वेज बेटे एक तरीका I'm writing both of them as standard form. 8 into 10 raised by 3. Yes or no?
यस
Aris. Secondly, 4 into 10
4
raised minus
यस
3.
-3
बेटे अब number with number and power with power. 4 1 times, 4 2 times.
ओके सो 0
Divide में क्या करते हैं? We subtract those powers.
0
हो गया 2 into 10 raised by 3 plus 3, which is finally 2 into 10 raised by 6. Second way, 8,000 divided by 0.004. अब बेटे मैं सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर को देख रहा हूँ एंड आई नो दिस इज 1 2 3 जंप्स, तो इसको मैं जीरोस को ऊपर बढ़ा के नीचे 4 लिख लूं. क्या किया मैंने बेसिकली?
जी सर ये
मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विद 1000, डेसिमल रिमूव कर दिया ना.
जी सर मैं वैसे पहले वाले से कर रहा था वो
4
सही
1 times 4 2 times, तो ये हो गया 2000 1000 and 2 into 10 raised to the power 6, 2
है
million.
यस 2 मिलियन पहले वाले से मैंने करा था लेकिन मैं फंस गया था हाँ,
नो इश्यूज, हम डिस्कस दोनों करते रहेंगे. एग्जाम में जो भी जेन में आ गया उससे बता सॉल्व कर
जी
देंगे. इस
जी
टॉपिक में देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन. ये बोर्ड की कैम्ब्रिज की तरफ से कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है इसमें. 0.002 रेज टू द पावर 2. देखिए इसको लिख रहा हूँ 2 over 1000 का स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज 4 over 1000 का स्क्वायर. 3 जीरोज हैं तो डायरेक्टली ऐसे लिख लूँ. 6 zeros हो गए. When I bring
यस
that in numerator, I'm getting 4 into 10 raised to the power -6. एक मैसेज भी किया था, छोटा सा पोलाइट रिमाइंडर है, काइंडली मुझे ना चैप्टर नंबर्स आप लिख दीजिएगा. एक बहुत बेसिक सा टेस्ट लेंगे टू सी वेयर डू वी स्टैंड. मुझे भी स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेसेस पता चल जाएंगी.
जी
जैसे हम चैप्टर 1 कर रहे हैं ना, आप मुझे कुछ
यस
नंबर्स देंगे आपने जो ऑलरेडी कवर किए होंगे. ठीक है, उसमें से एक
कवर
टेस्ट.
ऐसे तो हमने सारे कर दिए हैं स्कूल में मे बी
फुल बुक
हाँ थोड़ी सी शायद आई थिंक सो थोड़ी सी रहते हैं लेकिन
रफली
जैसे
आप एक मैसेज ना ग्रुप में भेज दीजिएगा.
जी
Yes,
वो रिकॉर्ड भी रह जाएगा, ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड. ऑर्गेनाइजर को मुझे आंसर करना है. तो एक बेसिक टेस्ट, उसमें दो फायदे बेटे होंगे. एक तो पढ़ने के बाद ये भी नजर आए कि इम्प्रूवमेंट आ रही है. दूसरा, अगर गलतियां होती है ना टेस्ट में, तो पढ़ाते हुए मुझे ऑलरेडी पता होगा मैंने क्या क्या सिखाना है. ठीक है, इसको बेसिकली बोलते हैं इन पाकिस्तान वी कॉल इट बेस लाइन टेस्ट, बेस लाइन असेसमेंट. समटाइम्स व्हेन यू गेट promoted to class 10, तो क्लास 9 का एग्जाम लिया जाता है, वो उसको बेस लाइन बोलते हैं, वेयर इज द स्टूडेंट स्टैंडिंग, और फिर उस पर काम किया जाता है कि इसको पर्टिकुलरली किस बच्चे को किस चीज में हेल्प चाहिए. Okay, question number 10. 10 is simple. 1.5 times 10 raised per 2 times 6 into 10 raised per minus 4. So what is 6 into 1.5?
It's 6 into 1.5 is 6. 6 into 1.5. 9,
6,
8, 8, 9, 9.
9, yes. 6 and a half of 6. And bases same powers add, so 10 raised to the power.
2 plus 6. 6.
Okay.
Bases same, powers add. We are multiplying it.
Power add.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Power add.
minus 2.
Oh, we'll add. Okay.
9. Yes, sir.
11. 0.000 and then 0.33 divided by 500.
So this will be, so it will be 6.6 times 10 to the minus 8.
Answer is correct. 6.6 times 10 raised to minus 8. Did you do it like manually or with calculator? Ali?
I- That's
Manually or calculator?
So I got the same
so,
also, but
Leave the idea.
use calculator.
कैलकुलेटर तो बेटे बोलो ना, कोई मसला नहीं है.
Yes,
हम
sir.
आईजीसीएसई पढ़े, कैलकुलेटर दोनों पेपर्स में अलाउ होगा.
Oh,
ड्यूरिंग क्लास हम कुछ ऐसी चीजें कर सकते हैं जो एग्जाम बाउंड्रीज से हटके है, ठीक है.
yes, sir.
जानबूझ के विदाउट कैलकुलेटर करवा रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा मेंटल मैथ तेज हो जाएगा, वो हेल्पफुल हो जाएगा. ये हम तीनों को पता
Yes,
है
sir.
कि कैलकुलेटर अलाउ है.
Yes, sir.
अब ये देखिएगा, पहले हमने क्या किया था, इन डिनोमिनेटर डेसिमल हटाने के लिए मैंने क्या किया था, इंटू थाउजेंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. अभी मेरे पास डिनोमिनेटर में डेसिमल नहीं है, लेकिन ये 5 था. 5 मुझे तंग कर रहा है. व्हाट डू आई डू विद दिस 5 एंड 33? तो मेरे माइंड में आ रहा है कि इफ आई डू दिस 2 इंटू 2, मैथमेटिकली इसमें कोई इशू है? डिवाइडिंग एंड मल्टीप्लाइंग विद द
No,
सेम
sir.
नंबर. मैं न्यूमरेटर में लिख सकता हूँ 0.123 066 और डिनोमिनेटर बन गया 1000. अब देखिए हैंडल करना इजी हो गया. In
Yes, sir.
numerator, it was 6.6 and how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So into 10 raised to minus 5. और denominator में मजीद 3 zeros कम हो रहे हैं. So we're writing 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 8.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. ये वाहिद टॉपिक है जिसमें विदाउट कैलकुलेटर जो है ना, थिंकिंग स्किल्स थोड़े इंप्रूव होंगे. वरना बेटे ये भूल जाएगा लेफ्ट पे क्या करना था, राइट पे क्या करना था, पावर ऐड कब थी, पावर डिवाइड कब थी. एंड समटाइम्स द एग्जामिनर सेज, क्वेश्चन में पास पेपर्स में लिखा होता है विदाउट यूजिंग कैलकुलेटर. नाउ कैलकुलेटर इज अलाउड इन P1 एंड P2. वो तो हमारे पास होता है एग्जाम में, क्वेश्चन के ऊपर लिखा हुआ है एग्जामिनर इज एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस वर्किंग, वी विल
सर
स्टिल
पहले
यूज.
नहीं अलाउड था.
अलाउ होता है बेटे, क्वेश्चन के बीच में जब उसने लिख दिया ना विदाउट यूजिंग कैलकुलेटर, दैट मींस शो ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप. कैलकुलेटर स्टेप्स नहीं देता.
ओ,
ठीक है, तो हमें ये मैनुअली करना आना चाहिए, और हम कैलकुलेटर से चेक करके फौरन ऑन स्पॉट ये भी देख लेंगे ठीक किया कि नहीं. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
तो एक और ट्राई करते हैं। नंबर 12, दिस इज 0.007 और डिवाइड हो रहा
ये
है 2123 से,
ये मैं
20,000। मैनुअली करके कैलकुलेटर से चेक करेंगे ठीक आ रहा है कि नहीं।
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
60 seconds passed.
यस सर बस हो गया।
No, sir.
14 आ रहा है कोई, 14 मल्टीप्लाई 10⁻⁻7।
नहीं, ये मैंने कैलकुलेटर पे किया हुआ है, दैट इज 3.5 into 10
3.5
is।
सर 3.5 आ रहा है, लेकिन
जी, ये देखें,
मैंने
अब
मैंने
हमारी
ऐसे करे
अप्रोच डिफरेंट हो सकती है। अगर मैं डेसिमल रिमूव करने के लिए इंटू 1000 इंटू 1000 करूं, तो बेटे ये हो गया 7/20,000 ऑलरेडी, दैट वाज ऑलरेडी देयर इन 3 zeros। यहाँ तक ओके।
यस
अब
यस।
देखें 2 और 7 को मैं डिवाइड कर सकता हूँ, 2 वन टाइम्स एंड 2 3.5 टाइम्स। बेसिकली
ओ
न्यूमरेटर में 3.5 पड़ा और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है, 7 zeros।
अच्छा सही है, मेरा भी सही है, सही है, समझा।
ये 7 zeros जब न्यूमरेटर में जाएंगे, ये बन जाएगा इंटू 10⁻⁻7।
ओके सर समझ आ गया,
Yes, sir.
समझ आ गया मुझे। सर एक और।
जी, इस तरह का है नहीं, पास से लिख लेते हैं। लेट्स से 0.0026 divided by
1 2 3 1 2 2 हो ना, तो
1 2 3 4।
सर इसका आएगा 1.3 मल्टीप्लाई 10 पावर -7।
1.3 इंटू 10⁻⁻7 सही है।
ओके
अब इसको डिफरेंट अप्रोच से सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ। डू 1 टाइम्स, ऑल जीरोस स्टे देयर, और ये 13 आ गया एंड ऑल द जीरोस आर स्टिल देयर।
यस तो
न्यूमरेटर ऑलरेडी दैट इज 1.3 इंटू 10⁻³ और ये नीचे 4 जीरोस हैं, सो इंटू 10⁻⁴। Finally, we combine them 1.3 into 10⁻⁻7.
Yes, I
Okay.
got the same answer.
Exercise is 1.7b. कैलकुलेटर से बेटे सब एक सेकंड में हो जाएंगे, तो ये रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन जरूर ट्राई कीजिएगा। विल डिस्कस एनी प्रॉब्लम्स यू फेस, और कल सर्ड्स, प्रोबेबली सर्ड्स इसका लास्ट है
सर
चैप्टर 1 का, फिर हमारे चैप्टर खत्म हो जाएगा। बड़ा
नहीं सर,
था।